I think so. No?
Okay, the whole thing.
To record.
Video.
So we're going to talk about water in Spain, especially in Albacete, our city in the south of Spain. So go on. Four drainage basins. So Albacete and its province belongs to the drainage basins of four of the nine most important rivers in Spain. Two of them, Júcar and Segura, flow into the Mediterranean Sea, and the other two, Guadiana and Guadalquivir, flow into the Atlantic Ocean. But none of them throughout the city. So the water we drink comes from the Tajo Segura aqueduct.
Due to the fact that the area is an intricate basin, living conditions were very hard in Albacete until the end of the 19th century. There were terrible floods, and the retention of the water here caused typhoid fever. But in 1890, the Canal of Maria Cristina was finished, and it was possible to collect the water drained by other minor canals. But there are also 16 aquifers and the 60% of Castilla-La Mancha's surface. And also the average rainfall in Albacete is only 367 millimeters a year. There are numerous lakes in the province, which are very important for migratory birds, both in winter and summer.
Rudera Lakes, one of the aquifers of Albacete, give birth to the Guadiana River. Which soon turns into 15 beautiful lakes, whose origin is similar to the 16 Pleiades in Croatia. They are connected by waterfalls as well as underground falls, and 9 of them belong to the province of Albacete. Now I am going to explain the relation that exists between Rudera and Don Quixote, the novel of Spain. One of the chapters on Don Quixote, the cave of Montesinos, takes place in the area, in a cave where a subterranean river runs. Don Quixote goes down into the cave and meets a lot of people who tell him that they have been there for 500 years, and their spell Merlin had caused of them. Lady Rudera, her 7 daughters, and her two nieces, also being under that spell, until Merlin eventually felt sorry and set them free by turning them into lakes.
Danger? UNESCO has included the natural park of Rudera within the Biosphere Reserve, Mancha Húmeda, but it could be in danger because of fracking. There have been a lot of protests against a project recently approved in the area, because the chemicals used in these techniques could contaminate not only the soil, but also the subterranean aquifers. These are some of the main protests against this project. Water is life.